Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful concepts that can completely change the way you think and approach problems. Fast principle thinking. It's a method used by some of the world's greatest minds like Elon Musk to break down complex issues and find innovative solutions. So, let's break it down. The first questions what fast principle thinking is. Fast principle thinking is all about breaking down a problem or idea into its most basic fundamental parts. Instead of relying on assumptions, traditions, or what others have done before, you strip everything down to the core truths. You then build up from these truths from your own conclusions. Think of it like building a house. If you start with the foundations and work your way up, you can create something unique, strong, and new. Instead of using pre-made plans, you create your own blueprints based on the most fundamental truths. Elon Musk used fast principle thinking in his own work with SpaceX and Tesla. For example, when he was trying to make rockets more affordable, he did not just accept the high cost of rockets as a given. He broke down the cost of materials, figured out what was truly necessary, and built a new approach that directly lowered the cost. The second question would be, why does fast principle thinking matters? You might be wondering, why does this matters? Well, fast principle thinking can lead to innovations and breakthroughs. It challenges conversational wisdoms and can help you spot opportunities others might miss. Instead of thinking inside the box, it helps you think beyond the box, or better yet, think without a box at all. By questioning assumptions and focusing on the fundamental, you open up a world of possibilities. This mindset is especially valuable in business, technology, problem solving, or even personal growth. It allows you to take control of your decisions and create more efficient solutions. How to apply fast principle thinking? Now let's talk about how you can start using fast principle thinking in your own life. It's a simple process, but it requires some practice. Number 1. Identify the problem or assumptions. Start by identifying the problem you want to solve or the assumptions you are working with. This could be anything from how can I get better at digital marketing or why are rocket ships so expensive? Number 2. It down to the fundamental. Next, break the problem down to its most basic, undeniable truths. What do you really know about it? What facts are you sure of? And what can be challenged? For example, if you were tackling digital marketing, you might break it down to marketing is about reaching people with relevant information at the right time. Number 3, rebuild from the ground up. Once you have the fundamental, rebuild the solution based on these core truths. How can you reframe the problems or task in a way that makes it more efficient or innovative? Maybe it's finding more target way to reach your audience or creating a unique campaigns that speak to their needs. Number 4, test your new approach. Finally, test your solutions. Just because you have used fast principle thinking does not mean you have all the answers right away. Implement your ideas, experiment, and see how they work in practice. Here is the real life example. Let's take a real world example. When Elon Musk wanted to build reusable rockets, traditional wisdom said that rockets are expensive and they should be used only once. The assumption was that the cost of materials and technology was the reason of high price. Musk broke it down and realized that the materials used in rockets like aluminiums and titaniums were not that expensive in themselves. What was driving the cost was the assembly, testings, and unique components. By redesigning the rockets to be reusable, SpaceX saved millions and revolutionized the space industry. This is a classic example of using first principle thinking to challenge assumptions and come up with something really different. How you can use first principle thinking in your life. You don't need to be a billionaire or tech genius to use first principle thinking. Whether you are trying to start a business, improve your health, or solve a personal problem, applying this method can help you think more creatively and effectively. For example, if you are stuck in the 9-to-5 jobs and want to escape the rat race, break down the problem. This assumption is that you need a traditional job to earn a living. The fundamental truth is that you need value, skills, and a way to exchange for income. Revealed from there by exploring way to make money through freelancing, building a business, or investing in assets. In your personal life, applying first principle thinking might look like focusing on improving the fundamental of health, nutrition, exercise, sleep, rather than relying on gymnastics or trends. In the conclusion, first principle thinking is a powerful tool that can help you solve problems more effectively and think more creatively. Whether in business, technology, or personal life, break down assumptions and focus on the fundamental can unlock innovative solutions. So next time you face a challenge or need to make a decision, try using first principle thinking and reveal something new. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comments, and subscribe the channels for more content to improving your mindsets. So bye bye.